Welcome! In this video, we'll demonstrate the FCAR F9S diagnostic scanner on a Toyota Tundra. As soon as the tester connects, it automatically identifies the vehicle using VIN Detection, allowing diagnostics to begin within seconds. Now the FCAR F9S performs a complete auto scan of the vehicle. The system quickly communicates with every available control module, providing a fast overview of the vehicle's electronic systems. Once the scan is complete, we can access individual control modules and advanced diagnostic functions. The FCAR F9S offers a wide range of service and maintenance functions, making it suitable for professional workshops working with modern vehicles. Navigation through the menus is smooth and responsive thanks to the powerful hardware and large high-resolution touchscreen. As you can see, switching between modules and functions is quick and intuitive, helping technicians complete diagnostics more efficiently. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more FCAR F9S diagnostic demonstrations on different vehicle brands.